I've always been fascinated by the human body's ability to change. Have you ever wondered why losing weight seems so complicated? Well, today we're going to explore the easiest ways to shed those extra pounds. But don't worry, we're not talking about crash diets or intense workout regimens. Instead, we'll look at simple, effective methods that anyone can incorporate into their daily life. Let's start with the basics: food and exercise. A balanced diet is crucial for weight loss, but it doesn't mean you have to starve yourself. Think of your body as a car. It needs the right fuel to run efficiently. Now, portion control is key. Imagine your stomach as a fuel tank. Overfilling it won't make your car go any faster. By eating smaller portions, you're giving your body just what it needs. But what about exercise? Don't worry, you don't need to become a gym rat. Regular physical activity, even something as simple as a daily walk, can boost your metabolism. Think of it as revving up your engine. The more you move, the more efficiently your body burns fuel. Did you know that just 30 minutes of brisk walking can burn up to 150 calories? That's equivalent to a small chocolate bar. Now, let's explore some less obvious but equally important factors. Have you ever noticed how a lack of sleep can make you crave junk food? That's because sleep plays a crucial role in regulating hormones that control hunger. Aim for 7-9 hours of sleep per night. Think of it as your body's nightly maintenance schedule. Interestingly, studies show that people who sleep less than 7 hours a night are 30% more likely to gain weight. Hydration is another secret weapon in weight loss. Water aids digestion and can help control hunger. Here's a fascinating tidbit. Your body can sometimes confuse thirst for hunger. Next time you feel hungry, try drinking a glass of water first. You might find that what you thought was hunger was actually thirst. Remember, losing weight doesn't have to be a complex equation. By focusing on these simple steps, balanced diet, regular movement, good sleep, hydration, and mindful eating, you're setting yourself up for success. Your body is an amazing machine, capable of incredible changes. So why not start your journey today? We'd love to hear about your experiences in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more videos that make science fun and accessible.